to Nitish and the entire team of Kachbo Designs for introducing this amazing product. I myself was very pleasantly surprised to see the features. These are extremely user friendly, and I'm very sure that this will be patronized quite a lot in days to come. When we prepared our electric vehicle policy about 2.5 years ago, for some reasons we missed on the bicycles segment. We spoke about two-wheelers, three-wheelers, four-wheelers, of course. In fact, we even spoke about tractors. We are perhaps the only state where the electric vehicle policy also supports tractors, and people have made use of it. There's a company called Celestial. Mahindras have decided to manufacture their electric tractors here. But for some reason, as I said, we missed out on the bicycles category. In those days, they were also not very kind of popular or available. There wasn't enough demand for it. But with the introduction of products like the hornback, I'm sure we will need to create a separate category in our electric vehicles policy, which focuses on bicycles also. And obviously, once enough number of bicycles start coming on the road, there will be an automatic demand generated to have more cycling tracks, etc. We are not yet there. While you mentioned that we have got cycling tracks, etc. The cycling tracks that we have are largely meant for recreation, for exercise. HMDA is developing some tracks, but that is only aimed at people who do recreational cycling. It is not really meant for people who commute on a day-to-day basis using their cycle. So obviously, if demand is generated, it is not that it is impossible to create a small cycle lane, but enough numbers are not there. The critical mass, as we call it, that is missing. But I'm sure with the advent of products like this, that change also will come. And again, while I'm happy that you had a easy ride on the metro, I know that just a few days ago, this campaign has started where some cyclists have kind of petitioned the metro rail authorities to allow easier passage of their cycles as well on the train. So, but this is a model which is not like a regular cycle. You can always fold it, as we saw in the demo, we saw in the video. It becomes a very handy kind of it's like a small baggage that you are carrying, which you always can push through. But I'm very happy that innovative ideas are coming in the space of mobility, electric mobility. We know for sure that the learning curve is getting shorter and shorter and shorter. Lots of innovations have happened. Even in the four-wheeler segment, in the three-wheeler segment, lots of new kind of design innovations.